An army of Vectron waves have just passed the moon, and a hostile arrival is imminent. Only you have the power to take them down and save the Earth. Only the laser blaster is powerful enough to take down an evil Vectron wave. You must learn how to use it correctly in order to defeat the Vectrons. First, you'll need to load up your blaster. Pop the hatch and add in 6 new AA batteries. Next, you'll need to power up the Vectron. Take the charging cable from the laser blaster and plug it into the Vectron wave. Set the Vectron wave switch to off and the blaster's switch to charge. When it starts to flash red, it means it's charging. When it starts to flash red and green together, you're ready to battle. A few notes to keep in mind. In order to penetrate the strong Vectronium shield of the Vectron, you must be within 8 meters from the Vectron when you shoot. After every shot, your blaster needs to recharge. Wait for the green recharge light to go back on before you shoot again. Once you've locked on to the Vectron, indicated by the light turning off on the Vectron, you only have 2 seconds to shoot. Don't miss your chance. And lastly, if you ever get yourself into a tight situation and need to stop the Vectron, just hold the trigger button for 5 seconds to activate the emergency stop mechanism. Now, let's start battling. The Vectron needs to sense its surroundings before it's ready for battle. Turn it on and set it down on a light-colored floor. Let it move up and down for at least 10 seconds. Notice the Vectron's shield indicator. It's green, which means it's at full power. Step 1. Aim. As you aim for the Vectron will sense your laser gun and try to move away from it. Be quick. Step 2. Lock on target. Once locked on, the Vectron's shield indicator should go off. You have 2 seconds to shoot. Step 3. Shoot. If you hit successfully, the shield indicator should start to flash red and green. You can now advance to level 2. If you miss, the Vectron will regenerate and the green light will come back on. Try again. The shield indicator should now be flashing red and green. The Vectron is wounded, but still dangerous. On this level, follow the same 3 steps as level 1. Aim, lock, and shoot. But now you only have 10 seconds to shoot the Vectron, or you will go back to level 1. If you hit, the shield indicator will turn to red. You will now advance to level 3. If you miss, don't worry. Wait for the regenerator light to go back on and try again. If you haven't hit the Vectron in the 10-second time frame, the Vectron will gain back its strength and turn green again. You're back on level 1. When the Vectron's shield indicator is red, it's at its weakest. One more hit will do the job. But remember, you only have 10 seconds to complete this level. Follow the same steps as before. Aim, lock, and shoot. If you hit, the Vectron will start to flash red and then drop to the floor. Congrats! You've defeated the Vectron. If you miss, the Vectron will go back to a solid red. Keep trying. If you haven't hit after 10 seconds, the shield will regenerate and go back to a flashing red and green. You're back to level 2. Keep battling. Don't forget to turn the Vectron off when you're done battling. Once you've defeated the evil Vectron, play with it like a normal Vectron wave. Turn the Vectron on, let it hover for about 10 seconds, then watch it hover over any object. Common troubleshooting issues. When you try to charge the Vectron, does your light flash red and green alternatively? That means the connection between the Vectron and the laser blaster isn't secure. Check the connection. When your laser blaster flashes green or no lights go on, it means it needs new batteries. Replace batteries. Is your Vectron not moving? Make sure the Vectron is turned on. Still not working? Try recharging the Vectron, and if that doesn't work, load up on new batteries in your blaster. Is the Vectron not responding to the laser blaster? It just needs to be recharged. Hook it up to the laser blaster and recharge. Is the Vectron flying too high? It probably didn't sense its surroundings at the beginning. Turn the Vectron off, then on, and let it hover for about 10 seconds before starting battle. Is the Vectron flying too low? It could be the Vectron or the laser blaster that are low on power. First, try recharging the Vectron and see if that works. If not, try replacing the batteries in the laser blaster. If you are still experiencing issues, please call customer care at 1-800-622-8339.